Okay, check this out. Recently I went on the internet to find some woodworking plans because it was my brother's birthday. And I found tedswoodworking.com. And I am so amazed by this website and the products that he has on this website. He's got over 16,000 woodworking projects and plans. I signed on, of course. I'm a big woodworking fan. Not that I'm that great with my hands, my brother is. I saved so much money, it's not even believable. I wanted to build an outdoor set, but I never really knew how, or I could never really follow the plans. So I was able to do that from Ted's system. I got all the blueprints, the plans, the materials, full color pictures, easy to follow. Everything was detailed and understandable to me because I'm a visual guy. I like to actually see it. I have a hard time actually with written instructions, but that's just me. I also signed up for his free bonuses, which is a CAD plan viewer, and I can design my own furniture on my computer. And this was so inexpensive, unbelievable. Unbelievable price for the set that I got. I also got 150 premium woodworking videos, which really made me happy, and that's 150 different pieces of furniture to build. I don't know how he sells it for the low price that he did, but I'm very happy to have found tedswoodworking.com, and just check it out and see if you like it. But I think once you see everything that's on there, you're either going to buy it for yourself or someone in your family or a friend that is into woodworking or just is starting out. My son is 12 years old, and he's going to be helping me with some of this. I think I'm going to set him loose on his own with a few of these outdoor projects for woodworking. So Ted's Woodworking, it is the best.